Hi guys, thanks so much for tuning in. It's Beth from Avery Home Search, and today I'm so happy that I can share some tips with you on how to make your house look expensive on a budget. Guys, I'm filming this on a separate day. I wanted to throw this disclaimer in there and let you know I'm doing this video to let you know some tips that I use. I'm not encouraging anyone to go out and get a credit card. Use what you have to your advantage, and let's get back into this video. If you have any kind of perks that you get with the company, like maybe it's Kohls cash or maybe it's Amazon cash that you get when you use your credit card. When I go shopping at Kohls, I usually buy their kids apparels for my son, and I use my Kohls cash on things that I usually will not buy. Here's one of the other things I do on a budget to make my home look expensive, and that's set my table. Let me give you a closer look. These napkins I got from Kohls for free. I love the color. They go with the florals. I just put something, a little centerpiece in the middle. And I got these flowers from Homegoods. These were on sale 50% off, and they were $4.99. I just got 5 of them. And I got this plate set from Kohls as well. This is a DIY, and these are just some glasses. But yeah, as you see, set your table. Do a little plate setting. It doesn't have to be something elegant. It just has to be something fun. It makes your house look expensive. All right, number 2, large vases. All right, guys. These are from Pier 1 Imports, and I was so excited because they were going out of business, and I was pretty sure I was going to be able to find these at a good price, but apparently everybody had the same idea I had, and they were sold out in week 1. So you're probably wondering how I ended up with these vases since they were sold out at Pier 1. I went to a place called Facebook Marketplace. You type it in Google and you can do a search for whatever item that you're looking for, and whatever is local in your area will show up, and you just drive out to pick it up. So make sure you bring someone with you. I brought my husband because you don't want to go anywhere unfamiliar by yourself. So I ended up, as you can see, clicking Facebook Marketplace, and these vases, the exact ones, came up that I was looking for. $80 for both of them, and each of these at Pier 1 are over $100. Or you could buy one for $50, so I just bought 2. The florals alone in the vases were worth about $20, and they came from Pier 1 Imports as well. If you saw my Homegoods blog, you know these roses, these wooden roses, came from Homegoods, but everything else was inside of those 2 Pier 1 vases. These little stems with the crystal gems at the end. So large vases definitely make your home look very expensive. And mirrored furniture. So I bring up mirrored furniture because Facebook Marketplace has mirrors all day long for really inexpensive prices. Pretty much any mirrored piece of furniture that you put in your home is going to make it look more expensive. I got this piece from Pier 1 Imports when they first had their going out of business sale, and I got about 40% off of it, so I've been waiting a long time for it. I'm going to take you to another room and show you another piece I got from them. Alright guys, so here is another mirror that I got from Pier 1 Imports. I love this mirror so much. I've been waiting for it to go on sale. I did get this one as well for 40% off, but like I said, there's so many at Facebook Marketplace, and you might even find this one if someone's had it for a while and you're trying to sell it. So just like I found those vases. Let's get back into mirrored furniture. So as you can see, I've got these mirrored nightstands on each side of the bed. I think they also make the home look expensive. Any kind of mirrored furniture, I think, really does justice. And let me show you what I have on top. This is a crystal holder, so you can put jewelry in it. I got it for $12.99 at Marshall's. And this candle holder was $9.99 at Amazon.com. And I got this lamp for $19. See if you can see that. So Overstock.com sold these end tables on Facebook Marketplace, so you can find good deals even with the retailers on Facebook Marketplace, because these were originally a lot higher in price. They were about, these end tables, they were about $50 off. So if it's still too expensive, I do have a video showing you how to make your own table, mirrored table. I'll put a picture of that, and the links are already in the description box. But let me give you another way you can make your home look expensive, and that would be pillows, as you see here. And you can just buy a bunch of textured pillows. I collect them. I know what colors I like. As you see, I did a haul at Kohls, and I was able to get this one on sale for a really good deal. That was $80. I only spent $20 for that big pillow. And as you see, I've got other textures. This is the shiny kind of metallic. So you got your furry, you got your shimmery, and I've got different types of colors like light gray, medium gray, dark gray. All right, guys, so let's go to the next room and I'll show you the pillows in my living room. This is the part of the room that I wanted to show you where I put all my leftover pillows. It's just 2 chairs, and I accented them with pillows. And I added these purple ones for a touch of color. And I did some DIYs a while back, which I have videos for, and I refreshed them. These candle holders in the back, I made them purple. And I also have this candle holder, this tall one. I accented it with a little bit of a floral design here. And I can show you how to do those. If you would like to know, leave it in the comments and I can definitely put something together. Last one here from a DIY I did, and I just made it gold with some floral accents. Now all of the candle holders came from Dollar Tree. The mirror behind on the wall, these came from Kirkland's, and I have an alternative that I think actually looks just as good as this that I'm going to show you next. And this table has some items from Marshall's. This was $12.99. Burlington, this one's $9.99. And Amazon.com, these were $11.99. There were a set of 3. I just have 2 on here, and I've accented them as well with these little floral pieces. This is a table I just spruced up a little. I refreshed it with the leftover tile mirror pieces I had from my table that I'm going to show you next. This is a DIY, and what it is a end table that you can use for your foyer. You can use it for your bedroom. I'm using mine in my foyer. I made it from scratch. And next I'm going to show you a wall DIY piece of decor I made from scratch. Let me know if you like this better than the one I paid for in my living room in the comments. Alright guys, that's it for this particular video. If you didn't know, I did do 2 other redos on this home. I redid the bathrooms, and I did just finish not that long ago a bedroom makeover. So I hope you can use some of these tips on how to make your home look more expensive on a budget. And I'd be more than happy to show you how I did those refreshes on those candle holders. So definitely, if you're new, check out the links in the description box to see what you may have missed. You might be surprised, and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. And if you're returning, you know I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. And guys, be safe, and I will see you on the next one.